This is crimping. In response to the fuel issue, we're trying something different. Normally we would mulch and mow when we're planting, but got hold of this thing. Crimping make them. This one's made by Evolve, loaned to us by a customer. So we're just trying, because we use so much fuel mulching. This is some we did the other day. That mulcher, we have to go really, really slow. It has to be at high revs, very heavy on fuel. I think we're using, I don't know, it could be 70, 80 bucks a hectare to run the mulcher over. Crimping, however, we can do it, lay down that grass, get it down, make a seed bed. We can lay that down for about 10 bucks. About 10 bucks a hectare. It goes fast. It does an incredible job. This is seems to stay down. We're doing tropical pastures here. I've seen it work done with Crimpers machinery on cover crop, but this is just tropical pastures. So Soteria, rat's tail. This paddock was pretty much solid rat's tail actually about 2 years ago. Did a composting program. We're actually planting some tropic rose here, but in between them we're going to put down some winter cover crop. So anyway, I think that's quite successful crimping, and it is a very heavy, that roll is extremely heavy. It's full of water and oil. Weighs about 1.5 ton, that thing, 4.5 meters wide, but it just does this incredible job at laying down the grass and giving us a seed bed, and mainly creating an environment for our organic matter, which is to start cycling, and all those microbes to start acting, because it's now got all that food down at ground level. We'll spray over this with microbes soon after we plant. But yeah, just trying something different in this sort of fuel crisis, if you want to call it a crisis. But with fuel being so bloody expensive, this is a much quicker, cheaper way to do it. Testing out the crimper.